Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix YouTube library option. If you're experiencing YouTube issues with library option, where your saved videos, playlist and descriptions are stored, there are a few steps you can try to fix it. First, you need to open your YouTube and simply clear it from the history. And sometimes the library option may not be loaded properly due to a temporary glitch. Try refreshing it. Or you could also try clearing your browser. You should also try clearing your cache on YouTube. Press the YouTube app like this. Go to the app information, select storage and cache, and in the bottom you will see the clear cache option. Tap on that. And clearing cache and sometimes fix loading issues. After clearing the cache, you could also try accessing the library option again. Or if you're using YouTube app on a mobile device, you could also update your app. Go to the Play Store, look out for the YouTube, tap on the YouTube option and make sure it's updated on the latest version available. Developers often release updates to fix bugs and improve performance. Or if the problem still persists, try accessing YouTube on a different device or web browser to see if the issue is specific to one platform. And by following these steps, you should be able to resolve most issues with library option on YouTube. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.